In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change group name on Life360 app. Alright, so I'm starting here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up the Life360 app. Once it loads and I'm on the main map screen, I'll just wait a second for everything to fully show up. You should see your current circle name at the top of the screen. Now up at the top, I'm going to tap on the drop down arrow next to the circle name. This opens up a list of all the circles I'm part of. From here, you'll want to choose the circle or group that you created, or the one where you're an admin, because you'll only be able to change the group name if you have admin access. So I'm tapping on the correct circle now, and once I select it, the app switches over to that group automatically. With the correct circle selected, I'm heading up to the top left corner again and tapping on the settings icon. That little gear icon opens the settings specific to this circle, not your entire account, so make sure you're in the right group before moving forward. Once I'm inside settings, I'm scrolling down just a bit until I see circle management. Go ahead and tap on that. This section is where all the group related options live, like managing members, permissions, and the circle name itself. Now that I'm inside circle management, I'm looking for an option that says edit circle name. If you're an admin of the group, you should see this option right here. If you don't see it, that usually means you're not an admin for that circle, and in that case you won't be able to rename it. Since I do have admin access here, I'm going to tap on edit circle name. This opens up a text field where the current group name is displayed. From here I can tap into the text field and start editing the name. I'm just going to delete the old name and type in the new group name I want. Take your time here and make sure the name looks exactly how you want it, since this is the name everyone in the circle will see at the top of their app. You can keep it simple or make it more specific, whatever works best for your group. Once you're done typing the new name, look up at the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a save option there. Go ahead and tap on save. As soon as you tap it, Life360 updates the circle name instantly. There's no loading screen and no extra confirmation step. Once you back out of the circle management screen, you should already see the new group name displayed at the top of the app. Everyone else in the circle will see the updated name as well without needing to refresh or reopen the app. At this point, you're basically done. You can tap back to return to the map or switch between circles using the drop down if you want to double check that everything looks right. The change is applied immediately and doesn't require any additional setup. If you ever want to change the group name again in the future, you'll follow the same exact process. Just make sure you're switched into the correct circle, go into settings, open circle management, and edit the circle name from there. So just to quickly walk through it again like we're doing it together, you open the Life360 app, tap the drop down at the top to select the circle you manage, went into settings, open circle management, tapped edit circle name, typed in the new name, and tapped save in the top right corner. And that's it, that's how you change the group name on the Life360 app using your iPhone.